What is your name?
Talia.
How old are you?
11. I'll be 12 Friday.
Oh, happy birthday before it gets here.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. For adults, but I feel like we definitely need to talk to children about how they interact with each other. I just like to ask you a couple of questions about how you interact with 11-year-olds, 12-year-olds, boys your age. So, do you think that what is your definition of a young guy like your age, like you, and what does that look like to you? Like meaning, like how would you want him to treat you?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't
Uh,
know?
I don't know. Kind. Uh,
Do
I
you
don't know.
do you think y'all should have anything in common?
Maybe.
Because what would y'all talk about if you don't?
I don't know.
So do you think conversation is important?
Mm-hmm.
So when you first meet a guy, like you going off like his looks, right? Is that true?
Sometimes.
What else would you going off?
Uh, mm, Hair. Kind of sport. That's probably it.
You said what did you say? His hair.
Yes.
Oh, you like hair?
Yes.
What kind of hair? What do you mean when we say hair?
Dreads.
Oh, okay. Do you really? That's cool. I'm glad you like natural hairstyle, natural back hairstyle. But let me ask you. This is a question. So you like? I know all these dudes. I don't know. Do boys your age? Do they be wearing their pants really, really low, like off their butt?
I don't know.
Like some do, some don't. I'm talking about like in your school, like in general.
No.
They don't. They wear pants up. Oh, good, 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 good. Okay, so that question, got it. And that's nice to know. Um, what about? Do you understand like what a girl code is?
Hmm.
Well, if you do know, like, what does that mean to
Sometimes.
you?
I don't know. Probably. Mm,
Like between you and your girlfriends, what do you think it means? Or you don't know.
I do, but
So what do you think?
I don't know. Like,
Um, that what it basically mean like, like a girl code. When people normally hear it, like they don't date the same guy. Like say if your friend was had a had a boyfriend and then he tried to talk to one of her friends like and you would shut him down because you'd be like, no, that's my friend. No, that's kind of like what a girl code means because sometimes like guys will still try to talk to who like the girl that he's with, her friends. That's disgusting. And sometimes they sister too. That's why girl code is important. And we can think about love.
mm,
What do you think? What do you think that means?
I don't know.
When somebody loves you, what do you think they do? Or behave towards you? Girl, what you mean you don't know? This is my definition. Like I think that somebody that love me will be kind, they'll be gentle, they'll be considerate. But also that doesn't mean that you two won't have arguments because you will. Because everyone have arguments because, we all are individuals and everybody don't think the same. If a young man likes you, that he would be nice and kind to you. What do you feel about holding hands?
Mm-mm. No.
You don't like to hold hands?
No.
What about a nice, kind gesture? Like, say if y'all walking, not holding hands because you don't like to hold hands, and he pick up a flower and give it to you. Would you think that would be nice or corny? Or you don't know?
Maybe.
Maybe what?
I don't know if it's like. That's kind of lame.
What's kind of lame? Oh, if somebody you was with and they pick up a flower and they give you one, that's lame.
Yes.
Oh, how did you feel that way? Because that's really sweet. Okay, so in my opinion, right? So what is something a kind gesture and a nice gesture that a young guy could do for you? What do you like?
I like to eat. So maybe going to eat to a restaurant. Maybe.
Where y'all going out to eat? He's 12.
Yeah.
What's playing M?
That don't mean nothing.
Oh yeah.
That don't mean nothing.
Oh, he still have that paper.
Mhm.
Oh, okay. Do you make money on your own?
Sometimes.
Oh, you got good money, girl. Exactly. And have multiple streams of income. So your money can just rise. I have to say thank you so much for talking to me today. Well, kind of talking because she was real corny. I don't know what's going on with her. She always got she got shit to say. But I like to say thank you. And, yeah. And also, I want to leave you with this. You also have to be nice to a guy, too. Like, it goes, you know what reciprocated me? I told you already. It's like a wheel. Like, it goes around. Like, it's not just one person doing something. Like, both of you have to, like, do nice things for each other. Since you're not doctor. You know, when you care about somebody. Well, this will conclude my experiment with an 11-year-old about dating. Thank you, Lydia, and have a happy birthday, honey.
Thank you.